Strike Industries Fat Comps. They come in 4 different variations. Fat Comp 1 has a unique tri-shape to it with ported sides to it. Fat Comp 2 is more of the traditional round with the ported sides. Fat Comp 3 has definitely a more aggressive look to it. And I would say Fat Comp 4 is a nice mix and blend of all of them. You have the triangular shape, the ported sides, some roundness to it. Now, each one of these is designed to seamlessly integrate with the Strike Industries dummy suppressor here. Every single one of these is 1.5 inches diameter and can fit in most free float rails if that's what you wanted to do. They are all 1/2 inch by 28 thread pitch and screw on clockwise. They're made of steel and have a matte black finish. They are 2 inches in length and 7.6 ounces in weight. They are now available at strikeindustries.com or any of their local retailers.